nah. This blah 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 blah. Alright, you can see how this go. Alright, let me flip this around so y'all can see the two. Cause I supposed to look. Now this piece. Supposed to just peel it, but the screws so tight it gets stuck in the screws. I'm saying that by my elbow, nigga. I'm a handyman. I gotta. Anyway, dog. Look, so these you can't. So these you can unloosen it a little bit and make it easier to pull the plastic off. So look, I'm gonna zip these. Wop, let us film, straight through there, Look, wop. Get over here. Get over it. See, it's off here. It look like something now. There it is. Now we're gonna tighten these. Be careful, cause it is plastic. So you gotta be boom, boom. Do it slow. Put a screwdriver, but I know what I'm doing. Quit looking at my elbow, dog. I'm a handyman up there. Doing shit all day, crawling around and shit. But still, look. We're gonna move this, cause gotta put this piece on. Alright, now, make sure if I put this on next, check the next page. Okay, now we're gonna slide this in. Boom. Need some screws, I think. Yep, it is. Where they at? Here you go. Look, I'm gonna put this right here. Pop the screw out, pop the screw out, pop the screw out. Alright, pop the screw. Boom. 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 Alright, they all there. Alright, this was short. Okay, shot on camera. But that's what I got the other piece for. But for now, let me see. Alright, we go. Look, they got this little wrench strictly for the joystick, right? You slide this on, then you get the bar ready to screw on, but you put this little wrench in there to hold that piece steady. So you can screw this on the top. Just like that. Boom. Alright, what's this? You see how I was jamming? Yeah. I said, do it my thing. Take the sticker off here. Yeah, Pandora wasn't playing nothing that day, but I still had J with it. Alright, we're gonna take that screw from the cord from the top, plug that in to the light part. Now, that's the power cord. Boom, we gotta plug this in, but it go through the little wall part. This piece gotta pop in. But instead of popping it in now, we're gonna see how it look with it in there. Matter of fact, slide it in there. Then we can pop the cord in there. Alright, let us pop. Easy. Make sure, yep. Put a couple screws in there real fast. Should bust them open already, but I was just joking. But check it out, boom. That one in there, started off. Pop, ain't gotta worry about it no more. Turn the channel, real slick. Pop, tighten that one in, make sure it's flush. Boom. Got to turn it again. See, told you Pandora is tripping, bro. Look, this is gonna go up there. Grab 4 screws. Boom, 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 boom. That's probably what I listened to. But look. Pop these screws in. Boom. Now, top ones. Told you it was fun. I know what I'm talking about. Look. Grab one more. Boom. Don't gotta worry about it no more. Now, flip the page. We're gonna flip this around too. Look. These. Now I gotta put these on. That's the fun part. These hot the screws though. Don't forget that. Yeah, I hate when other handyman come see somebody else's job and they left shit. I hate it. Y'all make us look bad, dog. Just pop these in, stop being lazy. For real. Look. That looks so much better. Even on camera, you can see a difference. Bro. I was telling. Look, here we go. Last one. About. There it is. Ooh. It is. Now you gotta plug this one down there. Boom. Done with that part. Now you gotta move this out the way, cause like I said, it's short. We gotta put this bottom piece on. Fast forward to make it a little faster, cause you ain't trying to have a long video. Alright, look, boom, boom, wow. So I pop that open. Here we go. Take out all the main pieces, slide it out. Make sure. Boom, set that up. Boom, set that up. Boom. See, I like being neat, organized, less space. You can see everything from where I'm at. Boom. Look at this. Since I already, this one was on one piece of paper, but since I know it's up, I started with the wood screws. These, I don't know how they missed that in the instructions, yo. But a lot of times that happen. Look, boom, we're gonna, is this piece? Is it? No, it's supposed to, wait a minute. Alright, I think it's supposed to go there. It is. Bop. It went in there. Boom. It did. It did. Look. Ooh. Now we're gonna tighten to make sure. Now it's supposed to be flipped like that. We're gonna double check because instruction retarded. I ain't even say nothing about put that piece on, but I got it anyway. Look. Boom. Put the screws in. It's 3 on. Ooh. 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 There it is. Now we're gonna put them sides up. Wow, that's gonna, okay. Look, slide that in the back, the front cover. Make sure it's right. There it is. Put the side on. Look like 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 5. There it is. Look, tighten them up. There it is. Look, flipped over. Make sure it's the front. There it is. Look, put the covers on. Now I'm about to grab this, man. It kind of hard. Look. Hey, my Wheaties. Boom. Got it on there, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even need no help, no dollies, no pulleys, no none of that. Niggas just, that's muscle, boy. That's muscle, boy. Look at that, check it out. Screwed on there. Boom, toes is so much taller. Gave it a good 2 feet. Look, check it out. Boom. All done. Look at her. Who up first? Like I said, I'll do this, son.